Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make Windows open sticky notes automatically every time you start your computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. This is the Windows icon that opens your main menu. Once the Start menu appears, simply type Run into the search box, and you'll see the Run application appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to open the Run dialog box. This is a quick access tool that lets you execute commands directly in Windows, which is exactly what we need for this task. In the Run dialog box, you'll see a text field where you can enter commands. Type shell:startup and then click the OK button. This command is really handy because it instantly opens your startup folder, which is the special location where Windows looks for programs to launch automatically when your computer boots up. Any application or shortcut you place in this folder will run as soon as you log into Windows, saving you the hassle of opening it manually every time. Here's where we'll locate and add sticky notes to that startup folder. Click on the Start button again in the bottom left corner. This time, you'll need to scroll down through your applications list until you reach the recently added section. Keep scrolling carefully until you find the Sticky Notes app listed there. Once you spot it, click and hold on the Sticky Notes icon with your mouse. Then drag it directly into the Startup folder window that's still open from the previous step. This action creates a shortcut in the Startup folder, telling Windows to automatically launch Sticky Notes every time your system starts. After you've successfully dragged Sticky Notes into the Startup folder, it's time to test if everything works as intended. Restart your PC to see the changes take effect. Once your computer boots back up and you log in, check if Sticky Notes opens automatically on its own. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully configured Sticky Notes to launch at startup, and you'll now have instant access to your notes every time you start your computer. And that's it. You've now set up Sticky Notes to open automatically whenever you start Windows, making your note-taking workflow more convenient and efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.